Pranshul, today we are going to make a shape, right?
Yes, right.
Okay.
I don't know how to open that.
You gotta open. These are the shapes. These are the playdohs. Right. Need you scissors?
Yeah. Yes, I do. I need scissors. Mr. Scissorman. I need Mr. Scissorman, please. I need all of them. Thank you. I can't use those scissors to use. I can't.
Good.
What's in this?
These are the shapes, different kind of shapes and different colors.
Here's the Play-Doh.
Yeah. Good. I can help you then.
And this one.
I can help you. You got it. Thank you. Say what kind of color?
Yeah.
How many colors are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Say again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. What kind of color this one?
Red, orange, green, black, blue, brown, yellow, and purple.
Good. And what kind of color this is?
Okay, wait, brown, green.
Brown and what kind of shape?
Okay, I want to make it right now.
Okay. Well, first of all, you can say what do you know about the shape?
No.
What shape is this?
Rectangle?
Yes. This is
Circle? No, oval.
oval.
Now that is a triangle. Heart. Oh, a circle. Square.
Diamond.
Diamond. Star.
Good. This is the roller, right?
Yep.
All right.
I want to do
First,
black.
you're gonna make black.
Black.
Open.
I want to do this one. Diamond. Mommy, can you open it? Oh, that's your favorite color. Mommy, can you open this for me, please?
What kind of color this is?
That's purple.
First, I can open all of them. Okay.
Yeah.
Then say the color, the name of color.
Oh my gosh. These are Play-Dohs.
Yeah.
I know.
What kind of color this play?
Black and purple. Let's just use these two, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get this. No.
This is
Blue.
this is.
Purple.
All right.
This one's so good.
That's good.
So good.
You're gonna make a diamond first.
Yeah. It's black. It's diamond.
Alright, what kind of color this?
That's brown.
All right.
It's like, kind of like puke.
Yeah. What kind of color?
Hello. It kind of looks like a dragon.
Yeah.
I need a little help because. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's very hard to open.
Yeah.
What kind of color this?
If the teacher opened this, it's easy for her.
Yeah.
Not for you, right?
Yeah, not for me. What color? What kind of color?
Orange.
Put here. Put here.
I just made one.
Good.
One.
That's a diamond.
Now a star. I'm gonna do it now. Next, it's a star.
No, not this one. The other one.
I want
can
to
put
do
in
black
here.
again. It's my favorite color, too. Oh, I want to do red.
You wanna do red?
Yeah.
Okay. Put in here back to here.
Go down red.
Alright. This is green. This is
Orange.
this is
blue.
this is
purple.
this is
Brown.
this is
Yellow.
this is
Red.
this is
Black.
this is the black diamond, right?
Black diamond.
I can help you.
I already did it. Give me some more.
Alright. And put back the rest of the okay.
Okay, next is a star.
No. First roll it.
Yeah. Then do it. Oh!
And
Yeah.
you make a star. Back again. Put in here.
Okay, now do yellow.
This
Yellow
is
man.
the black.
Yellow.
This is the red. I can help you. You wanna make yellow?
Yeah. Yellow heart.
Yellow. This one. This is the yellow color and yellow oval. Oh, this is the circle, not a oval. And then green. This is green. This is green oval. This is yellow
Circle.
circle.
Where's Hearty?
Heart. Purple heart.
Yeah. Where's the roller?
The roller is here.
Yeah. Oh no. Okay, first. I made a flat.
Make a flat.
Oh no.
Then
Get out. Do it.
that's good. That's good. And
No, this.
this is the yellow. Yellow and yellow.
No, I want to do
You and the.
No.
All right.
Right there and right there. Two hearts.
Two heart.
Two
All right. Put it back in
Two
here.
of them.
Yeah.
Double. Triple. Now I'm going to do one of these. I'm going to do a red one. Or a purple.
Triangle.
Yeah, purple triangle. You also do different colors.
I can help you.
No, I can't do it. I need you to help.
Hi.
Super helpy.
Super happy.
Oh no, baby's back. Oh, you're here? Oh.
Make it round and flat. You can help up this. Thank you. You're gonna make heart. No, the triangle, right?
Yeah. Oh no, it's on the train. Oh no. Oh no, this part is squiggly.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. It's squiggly, right? It's squiggly. 1, 2. 2. Wow, right? That's cool.
Put it here.
Right there and right there. Next one, a circle. 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 I want to make a purple circle. Purple circle. Purple circle. Purple circle. Maybe that, look, there's spikes. Oh, there he's walking. Baby's watching.
Yeah. What do you want to do with this color?
I wanna make that one an oval.
Oh, this one oval.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
A green oval. Go a circle of this. One there, one there, there. Oh no.
Yeah. Good. First,
Three.
first you open this one.
One right there, one right here. Oh no! Don't have enough room. Anyway, now I can do the bottom. Do both black green. Green. You.
Just make only one.
Look. Two of them. Which one? I want to make two. Let's make the spares are gonna be the other one. Oh no! Oh no! Uh-oh! It's a triangle oval. It's an oval triangle. Triangle. Last one.
Get here. Thank you.
Last one.
Not last one. This one.
And last.
And you need to make this one.
Yeah.
And the orange one.
Yeah. Okay, I'll make one of these.
You need to make a square.
No, I don't want to make.
And you already made the star.
I wanna. You can also make a sun. I'm making a sun.
Oh, here is the sun?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna make a sun. Make a sun. Yeah. Okay.
Now to make a sun. First, we need a square.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Okay. We need to make a train. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Then we add wheels, right? Now we need wheels, right?
Not right.
Yes.
First, we make a square. Then, what we need?
A circle for the wheels.
A circle?
Yes, for the wheels.
Oh, yeah. You
Orange
need
wheels.
orange one.
That's a bit beautiful.
I help you.
Okay, we need a lot of wheels for a train. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! 4. Oh no!
This is a circle.
Oh no! I added
Okay.
wheels.
Don't add here.
No, I
Don't
need.
add here. First, after we make more circle, then we make a train. Now, let's make
let's make one of these.
make start again.
Okay, let's
Big
make.
one.
No, I want to make a flower. Okay. 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 2 of those. Make a blue, beautiful blue flower.
So
Flower.
beautiful.
Okay. Yeah, I like that.
Put in here.
Right there.
Make it.
Wait, I need to.
Alright.
I want to make one of these.
Flower.
Mhm.
Alright.
Make
Okay.
a flower.
What kind of shape is this?
Okay, this.
What kind of shape
is
is this?
a rectangle.
What kind of shape? What kind of shape?
Circles.
What kind of shape?
Ovals.
What kind of shape?
Squares.
This,
Circle.
this,
Circle.
this.
Triangle.
But this is a triangle. This is not good. That's why I will put back here.
Triangle. Triangle. Heart. Star. Star. Diamond.
Diamond. Again. Say again.
Diamond.
What color?
Black. Okay.
And this one.
And star.
What color?
Red. Yellow.
What is this? Shape.
Heart. Purple triangle. Purple circles. Purple circles. Green. Red.
What kind of shape? What kind of shape?
Oval. Green oval. Brown square. And orange wheels.
What kind of wheels? What kind of shape?
Circle.
Circle.
And blue rectangle. There you go.
Do 2 rectangles, right?
Okay.
And you're gonna make again a flower.
Yes.
Okay, the flower will be red. Okay.
Yes.
Then you can put in here. Okay.
No, I wanted to do
Okay, you
that.
can do. Where is flower?
Oh, man.
Here it is. All right. That should be. That should be okay.
Okay, now. Okay. Then look. We
Yeah.
need a circle.
Good.
Circle in the middle.
We don't have the small circle.
Yeah,
We need a small shape, like small shape. It looks like same flower, right? We gonna make the sun.
Yeah. We need big circles for that one.
You need big circle.
Yeah, giant.
Giant circle.
No, that's not big. That's a small.
Okay. Then you get
Triangles.
You need a triangle, right?
Get red
Okay,
ones.
put it here.
I want yellow.
Red,
Yellow.
red or
Yellow.
yellow. Okay. Yellow and orange.
Orange.
Yeah.
Okay. Triangle.
How many triangle we need? Count again. How many triangle to make a swan?
6.
6.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Okay, no, I'm gonna do
First
it.
here.
Oh no. 1, 2,
Like this.
3, 4, 5, 6.
That's not good. That's not good. Just only one is okay.
No!
Only one is very good.
No! Not one. Not one. No. No. I'm break this one. I am gonna make it good. I do not want to make a small shot.
I can help you.
I don't want to make a small triangle.
You want to make a small triangle?
Oh,
If we want to make a small triangle, we need a small, like a small shape. We don't have.
I said I don't want a small triangle. I want a triangle. 1, 2. Okay.
Like this.
2.
That's why I say to you, press a little bit more. Good job.
1, 2, 3. No, this one, no, 1 is okay.
One is okay.
No, a sun does not look like that. A sun is not like that. 2, 3 is okay. 3, 5. 3 of them. Like 4. Like 4 of them. 4. Okay. I need more yellow.
And more yellow.
Oh no. Oh no.
Give me a second.
Okay, one more. Oh no. Oh no.